Hello everyone, good evening Shreya, good evening to everyone. Okay, let me know my voice is clear and the screen is clear. Let me check it myself. Very good evening to everyone. Are we live? Yes, we are. Okay, good evening Dhanvi, good evening Abhya. Yes, the voice is clear. Okay, so good evening everyone. Welcome to the live session of the Knowell Bell. In today's session, we are going to practice the questions from राष्ट्रीय मिलिट्री स्कूल प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर राष्ट्रीय मिलिट्री स्कूल के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. गुड इवनिंग अन्वेषा, गुड इवनिंग पंपना. थैंक यू सो मच धानवी. आई एम गुड. हाउ आर यू धानवी? गुड इवनिंग इशिता. वेरी गुड इवनिंग टू एवरीवन. You are a new student, Abhya. Okay. So, Abhya and everyone, in today's class, we are going to practice the previous year questions of Rashtriya Military School 2019 का paper हम solve करेंगे for the GK section and slowly we will solve for all of them. Good evening, Srishti. Good evening, Shreya. I am good, Ishita. Thank you so much. Okay, so good evening, Shreya. Very good evening to everyone. So let's get started. My voice is low. Just a minute, Srishti. Okay, now the voice is fine and clear for everyone. Good evening, Rizwan. Okay, so let's get started with the today's session. आज के session में हम लोग good evening Ashwin. आज के session में हम लोग राष्ट्रीय मिलिट्री स्कूल का 2019 का पेपर सॉल्व करेंगे, specifically the GK part, and let's get started with that. Okay, so the first question, as you can see everyone, yes Ashwin. So first question everyone, as you can see on the screen, the first question says which one of the following is not related to higher education. Okay, one more thing before starting everyone, if you are connecting with the session for the first time, make sure to subscribe the channel. If you found the sessions useful, you can like them as well. And let's get started with the today's session. Good evening Vaishnavi. So yes, which one of the following is not related to higher education? What is the meaning of question? That जो आपको options provided hai, among them which is not related to the higher education. So let's have a look. The options are UGC, CABE, CABE, CBSE and AICTE. What is UGC? UGC is University Grants Commission. Okay, what is UGC? UGC stands for University Grants Commission. ये previous year question है जो आपको 2019 के पेपर में पूछा गया था. UGC stands for University Grant Commission. CABE. What is CABE? CABE is Central Advisory Board of Education. Everyone take notes alongside with me. CABE is Central Advisory Board Education. Okay. What is CBSE? CBSE is Central Board of Secondary Education. What is CBSE? CBSE is Central Board of Secondary Education. Okay, and what is AICTE? AICTE is All India Council of Technical Education. What is AICTE? AICTE is All India Council of Technical Education. Now question हमसे कह रहा है that which one of them is not related to higher education? Which one of them is not related to higher education? What is the meaning of higher education? Higher education का meaning होता है after 12th जो आप education करते हो, all the studies, all the education you gain after class 12, that is considered as higher education. Okay, so in this everyone, yes, some of you are answering CBSE and that is the correct answer. The right answer would be CBSE. UGC, the University Grants Commission, is associated with higher education. Central Advisory Board Education is also associated with higher education. All India Council of Technical Educations, all the engineering colleges that are there in India, they function under AICTE, All India Council of Technical Education. So these three, UGC, CABE and All India Council of Technical Education, they are associated with higher education. On the other hand, CBSE, Central Board of Secondary Education, is associated with school education. So right answer would be option C, CBSE. Question number 2. Who was the first Governor General of British India? Who was the first Governor General of British India? Historical questions, I think everyone will be able to answer. A. Lord Hastings, B. Warren Hastings, C. Lord William Bentinck, D. None of these. Yes, Dhanvi has answered A. For which question, Dhanvi? Is it for question 1 or is it for question 2? First Governor General of British India. What will be the right answer? First Governor General of British India. Yes, B. Okay, Lord Hastings. No, Lord Hastings is not the right answer, everyone here. When we study about first Governor General of British India, so first Governor General of British India जो थे, he was Lord William Bentinck. Okay, Lord William Bentinck. आप इसको याद कर सकते हैं because this is purely a historical question, तो आपको याद ही करना पड़ेगा. There is no logic in that. The right answer would be Lord William Bentinck. The first Governor General of British India was Lord William Bentinck. So right answer would be option C. Lord William Bentinck is the right answer. The first Governor General of British India. Once again, this question was asked in RMS 2019 exam. Okay, so all the questions are important here. All the questions are of previous year. Lord William Bentinck. Yes, Poonam. Lord William Bentinck is the right answer. Next question, question number 3. Energy is stored in the cell in the form of DNA or RNA, DNA only, ATP, option D, ADP and RNA. So अगर किसी ने last session देखा होगा, last session that we have done for cell and tissues, so there we have discussed this question, although that was for class 9. एनर्जी स्टोर्ड इन द सेल इन द फॉर्म ऑफ, सेल में हम एनर्जी को किस फॉर्म में स्टोर करते हैं? इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डीएनए, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ आरएनए, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एटीपी और एडीपी एंड आरएनए. ओके, सो वेरी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ऑल दीज अल्फाबेट्स दैट आर रिटन देयर? फर्स्ट इज रिटन डीएनए. डीएनए का क्या मतलब होता है? एवरीवन राइट इट, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. डीएनए स्टैंड्स फॉर deoxyribonucleic acid. What is the meaning of DNA? DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. Then we have RNA. What is the meaning of RNA? RNA stands for ribonucleic acid. What does RNA stands for? RNA stands for ribonucleic acid. Then we have ATP. ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate. What does ATP stands for? ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate. And last we have ADP. What does ADP stands for? ADP stands for adenosine diphosphate. What does ADP stands for? ADP stands for adenosine diphosphate, right? So these are all of the full forms for the abbreviation. अब एनर्जी को हम सेल में किस फॉर्म में स्टोर करते हैं? DNA, RNA, DNA, ATP. So very importantly, you will keep in mind that energy is always stored in the cells in the form of ATP. What is ATP? ATP is the adenosine triphosphate, that is also called the energy currency of the cell, or trending H. This is for class 6, right? So Poonam, Ishita, DNA is not the right answer. The right answer you are going to have here is ATP. ATP, okay? Energy is stored in the form of ATP. ATP is called as energy currency of the cell. What do we call it? We call it as energy currency of the cell. That is ATP. ATP is energy currency of the cell. So energy is stored in the cell in the form of ATP. There you go. Okay. DNA and RNA का क्या function होता है? DNA and RNA का function होता है. You must have observed that you look like your parents. So transfer of characters, that is the function of DNA and RNA. ATP, the function of ATP is energy. Energy का form जो है, that is ATP. Okay. Next we are going for question number 4. Where is the National Library of India located? Once again, a very important question, a previous year question as well. Where is National Library of India located? A. New Delhi, B. Mumbai, C. Kolkata, or D. Chennai. Where is National Library of India located? Everyone, kindly provide your answers. How can you apply for RMS 2023, Pankaj? Okay, you can contact me on the number आपको screen पे दिख रहा है. You can contact me on that. I'll let you know. I'll help you entirely कि कैसे आप. Just contact me on this number. I will help you with the application forms and all. Yes. No, Mumbai is not the right answer. New Delhi is also not the right answer. National Library of India की हम बात कर रहे हैं. Till now, no one has given the correct answer. Okay. The right answer is National Library of India. National Library of India, it is located in Kolkata. Where is National Library of India located? The National Library of India is located in Kolkata. Where it is located? It is located in Kolkata. Yes, Vishnu, we do maths as well. Hello, Zain Malik. Jai Hind. Yes, correct, Suman. The right answer for the question would be option C, Kolkata. Srushti, D is not the right answer. C, Kolkata, or yes, Rizwan, you can call Kolkata. Okay, so National Library of India is located in Kolkata. Next is question number 5. Which is the first country to host the first Olympic Games? A very important question. When we study about sports and games, Olympics are incomplete without it, and specifically in that, kya incomplete hai? The incomplete is first Olympic Games. Where were first Olympic Games conducted? Italy. No, Italy is not the right answer. Italy is not the incorrect answer. Hello, Srushti. Abhya, right now, Sainik School entrance exams forms are not yet released. Greece. Okay. So Prithviraj has answered Greece, Anvesha has answered Greece correctly, Zain Malik has answered correctly, Majinder, Vishnu, very good, your answers are correct. Yes, it would be good, Pana, to write the questions because वो आपको help करेंगे, otherwise I'll provide them on Telegram as well. So B is the correct answer. Correct, Ishita. Correct, Poonam. What will be the right answer? Correct, Anil. The right answer would be Greece. Where were the first Olympics conducted? The first country to host the Olympic Games were Greece. To be more specific, आप याद रख सकते हो, in Athens, Greece. Okay, the first Olympics were conducted. So this is a very important question. First Olympic Games कहाँ conduct हुए थे? So first Olympic Games were conducted in Athens, Greece. Then the last Olympic Games, okay, 2020 Olympic Games, where were they conducted? They were in Tokyo. Okay, and upcoming 2024 Olympic Games, who knows where are they going to be conducted? Anyone knows? किसी को answer पता है? Where are the Olympic Games of 2022 are going to be conducted? Olympic Games of 2024. Anyone knows which is the host country? No, Paris. Yes, correct, Aditya. No, Vishnu, not India. No, Majinder, not Tokyo, not USA, Ishita. Paris is the right answer. Okay. The games are going to be conducted in Paris. Okay, so 2020 के लिए Olympic Games Tokyo में conduct हुए थे. For 2024, they are going to be conducted in Summer Olympics in Paris. And first Olympic Games were conducted in Athens and Greece. So everyone take notes of this. This is very important. 2020, yes, Danvi, they will be conducted in class. In 2024, no, this is for class 6th. And Vishnu, the timing of everyday class 9 PM है आपका रहेगा, ठीक है? So first country to host the Olympic Games, Greece, Athens to be more specific. And आप याद रखोगे, the last Olympics, Summer Olympics of 2020 were held in Tokyo. The upcoming 2024 Olympics are going to be held in Paris. Okay, good. Next is question number 6. Question number 6 is, Amjad Ali Khan is related to which musical instrument? Amjad Ali Khan is related to which musical instrument? Bansuri, violin, sarod and sitar. If you will break it into your syllabus, so in your syllabus, the topic of art and culture, okay, from that this question is there. So music, art and culture, that is from there. The topic is अमजद अली खान. अमजद अली खान किस म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट से रिलेटेड है? बांसुरी, वायलिन, सरोद और सितार. सी, सरोद. करेक्ट पंकज. नो, विष्णु, दैट्स इनकरेक्ट. पूनम इज करेक्ट. करेक्ट पृथ्वीराज. Correct, Raghavendra. Dharvi is also correct. Good. So, Sarod. Yes, Aditya Pandey. Sumant, very good. Right answer would be Sarod. So, Amjad Ali Khan is a very famous and pronounced sarod player. So, किस instrument से associated है? Amjad Ali Khan is associated with sarod. Okay, he is associated with sarod. Next is question number 7. The Constitution of India was adopted on the national icons and symbols or from national insignia. This question is the Constitution of India was adopted on. When was the Constitution of India adopted? Yes, go ahead everyone. What will be the right answer for this question? I think sabhi ko iska answer pata hoga. C. How many questions are there, Poonam? Ideally, there are 100 questions or 50 questions. C, everyone is answering. 26 November 1949. No, Aditya, it's not going to be 26 January 1950. The question को देखिए आपका, read the question, okay? Question को carefully read करना है. Question क्या कह रहा है? The Constitution of India was adopted on, ठीक है? It's not asking implemented on. There are two terms, adopted and implemented. When was Constitution of India adopted? It was adopted on 26 November 1945. This was the day when the Constitution of India was adopted. हमने इसको adopt किया था Indian Constitution को. But there is another term that says Constitution of India was implemented. Now there is a difference between adoption and implementation. Adoption means हमने उसको स्वीकार किया था and implementation means हमने उसको imply किया था या हमने उसको लागू किया था. So Constitution of India was implemented on. दोनों ही चीजें आप याद रखेंगे. Constitution of India was implemented on 26th January 1950. When was it implemented? On 26th January 1950. And when was it adopted? It was adopted on 26 November 1945. तो कभी भी आपको ये क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. For implementation अगर क्वेश्चन है तो you will keep in mind it was implemented on 26th January 1950. And if the question comes for adoption, when it was adopted, then the answer would be 26 November 1949. Yes, then there is a academy. Okay, so okay, your name is Atirina. Okay, clear everyone? Okay, so next we are going to solve the next question. Question number 8. Any difficulties to anyone in question number 7? These are all the very important questions. Yes, Aditya. Today onwards, I'll come live daily. And okay, you are Niyati. Okay, Niyati. Okay, Harshit. So anyone having difficulties in this? हम लोग एक एक क्वेश्चन को बहुत डिटेल में स्टडी करेंगे so that आप एक क्वेश्चन स्टडी कर रहे हो उसके साथ साइमल्टेनियसली आपके अराउंड 4-5 क्वेश्चंस प्रिपेयर होंगे. Okay, Vishu, not Vishnu. Yes, Vishu. Yes, Rushti. Okay, clear. Next, we are going for the question number 8. In which city the famous Sun Temple is located? In which city the very famous Sun Temple is located? On our daily quiz as well as on the community tab poll, multiple times we have created the poll for this question and this question is very important. Okay, Aditya. So quickly everyone will provide answer and first answer is provided by Anil. So very good Anil. Then Dhanvi is correct. Very good. Konark Sun Temple. Okay, Konark Sun Temple is there. Yes, Shreya. Tomorrow we will have a live session. Poonam tomorrow 9 p.m. हमारा live session होगा. Yes, Srushti. Provide your answer. So the right answer is in which city Sun Temple is located. So Sun Temple is located in Konark. Konark Sun Temple हम याद रखेंगे. Konark is the city. Konark Sun Temple. Okay. Next is question number 9. The full form of ATM is, this is also a previous year question of RMS. This was asked in Rashtriya Military School 2019 exam for GK section. Question number 9 ही था. The question said, what is the full form of ATM? Anywhere marketing, anytime money or automated teller machine. Yes, correct. Dhanvi? Very good. Everyone is answering correctly. Okay, very good. It is correct. So the right answer would be automated teller machine. Okay, we call it automated teller machine. So the right answer is ATM. ATM का full form होगा Automated Teller Machine, not Anytime Money. Okay. So then the name of our institute is Knowell Bell. It is located in Jabalpur, that's in Madhya Pradesh. And if you want to contact sometime to me or to our institute regarding any doubts or difficulty, you can contact us on the number 8305103918. Okay. So that's the number. You can see it on the screen. Okay. So Konark Sun Temple, yes, trending edge. It's called Konark Sun Temple. Very good. Automated teller machine. Next question we are having is question number 10. The question number 10 is galvanometer is used to measure. Why do we use galvanometer? Galvanometer is used to measure heat radiation, electric power, electric current or electromagnetic waves. So this is from scientific devices. I am also mentioning the topics कि आपके किस topic से questions आए हैं previous year में. So you should know that these are the prime important topic और आपको इन पे ज़्यादा focus करना है. Scientific devices. Galvanometer is used to measure. You are also in Jabalpur, Aditya. That's nice. Galvanometer is used to measure heat radiation, electrical power, electrical current or electromagnetic waves. What will be the right answer? C, electric current. Very good. Okay, electric current is the right answer. So the right answer would be electric current. Galvanometer is used to measure electric current. Okay, so you are in Jabalpur, Aditya. So you may visit us sometime on our institute or on the center. Okay. We will be glad to meet you. So galvanometer, हम याद रखेंगे. We use it to measure electric current. Next is question number 11. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is situated in Delhi, Indore, Hyderabad or Bangalore. Where is Rajiv Gandhi International Airport located? राजीव गांधी इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट कहाँ पे लोकेटेड है ये हमको बताना है. Yes. You think it's C? It is C, Ashwin. You are thinking correctly. Yes, Aditya. Okay. Poonam, it is correct. Very good. No, it is not located in Delhi. Very good. Niyati. Very good. It's correct. Good. Hyderabad, Telangana. Very good. Yes. Correct. The right answer would be Hyderabad, Telangana. Where is Rajiv Gandhi International Airport located? Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is located in Hyderabad. Okay, to be more precise, Telangana, Hyderabad, that's where Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is located. Question number 12. For how many days the Battle of Kurukshetra was fought? For how many days Battle of Kurukshetra was fought? Once again, from history, the question is 12, 18, 15 or 19. For how many days the Battle of Kurukshetra was fought? For 12 days, for 18 days, for 15 days or for 19 days? Yes, it's located. It was बैटल ऑफ कुरुक्षेत्र. कितने दिनों तक कुरुक्षेत्र की लड़ाई कंटिन्यू थी? ओके, विशु हैज आंसर्ड ए, मजिंदर बी, अन्वेषा बी. दैट्स करेक्ट. इंदिरा गांधी इन दिल्ली. करेक्ट पंकज. Hasini, C. C is not the right answer for question number 12. Hasini, the right answer for this question will be B, 18. For how many days Battle of Kurukshetra was fought? Battle of Kurukshetra was fought for 18 days. For how many days it was fought? It was fought for 18 days. Battle of Kurukshetra was fought for 18 days. जिनको नहीं पता था, kindly make a note in your notebook. Battle of Kurukshetra was fought for 18 days. Okay, it was fought for 18 days. Next is question number 13. Which city is called Manchester of India? Very important question. Which city is known by the name of Manchester of India? Which city is often called as Manchester of India? Bhopal, Rourkela, Ahmedabad, Kanpur. Bhopal, Rourkela, Ahmedabad or Kanpur. What will be the right answer, everyone? B, Rourkela. No, Rourkela is not the right answer. Aditya is correct. Yes, Poonam. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is located in Telangana. Okay. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, Ahmedabad. D. Very good. D. Everyone is answering. Correct Niyati, correct Abhya, correct Dhanvi, correct Raghavendra, trending H. Correct. What will be the right answer? The right answer is Ahmedabad. Okay. Right answer is Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is often known as Manchester of India. Okay. Ahmedabad को ही हम another किस name से जानते हैं? We call it by the name of Manchester of India. Question number 14. Duttee Chand is related to which sport? Duttee Chand is related to which sport? It athletics, weightlifting, boxing, or badminton. Duttee Chand is related to which sport? Yes, Aditya. One day each topic, that way we will do. See, boxing. No, boxing is not the right answer. Duttee Chand is related to athletics. To which sport Duttee Chand is related? Duttee Chand is related to athletics. Athletics maybe if we become more specific. So Duttee Chand is a racer or you call runner. Okay. So she is an athlete जो basically running के जो competitions होते हैं in which that she participate. Okay. So the right answer is athletics. Okay. The right answer is athletics. So Duttee Chand is related to which sport? It is related to athletics. Okay, you answered 18 only. Then you must have answered for previous question, Hasini. I didn't saw the question number, so I thought, okay, it's fine. Duttee Chand is a athlete. Next is the Palak Strait lies between. The Palak Strait lies between Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Khambat, Gulf of Mannar and Bay of Bengal, India and Sri Lanka, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Palk Strait. The spelling would be S-T-R-A-I-T. Palk Strait lies between Gulf of Kutch, Gulf of Khambat, Gulf of Mannar and Bay of Bengal, India, Sri Lanka, Andaman and Nicobar. What will be the right answer? C. Very good. Between India and Sri Lanka. Very good. Okay, if you will ever look at the map of India, तो ये जो इंडिया का लास्ट हमारा कन्याकुमारी का रीजन है and then here we have Sri Lanka. So in between India and Sri Lanka, there is Palk Strait. Okay, this region, this is called as Palk Strait. So it is present between Bay of Bengal and Gulf of Mannar. That's why it is named by the name of Palk Strait and it is present between Gulf of Mannar and Bay of Bengal. This is the region of India. This is your Sri Lanka. Okay. So, Palk Strait between Gulf of Mannar and Bay of Bengal. Next question is, what are the main constituents of biogas? What are the main constituents of biogas? Methane and sulfur dioxide, methane and carbon dioxide, methane, hydrogen and nitric oxide, methane and nitric acid. What are the main components of biogas? So everyone, biogas is also known by the name of gobar gas. Okay. Biogas is also known by the name of gobar gas. So biogas, or you may call it gobar gas. So what are the main constituents of it? A. Anil. No, A is not the right answer. Abhya for question number 16. C is also not the right answer. Dhanvi. Yes, Prabhati. Very good. B is the correct answer. Very good, Srishti. B is correct answer. Biogas. Okay, correct, Aditya. B is the right answer. Biogas. The main constituents of biogas you will keep in mind in methane and carbon dioxide. This is a very important question. Methane and carbon dioxide जो होते हैं, they are the main components of biogas. Biogas में जो major component होता है for the formation of biogas, that is actually cow dung. Okay, main component that is required for the production of biogas is cow dung. That's why biogas is oftentimes popularly known by the name of gobar gas. Okay, it is totally biodegradable in nature and methane is the main component. Cow dung में भी क्या present होता है? Cow dung as well contains methane. If you will ever observe, there is a specific peculiar kind of smell that comes from the cow, that comes from the cow dung. So that is due to the methane, and this very methane is present in biogas. And additionally, along with methane, carbon dioxide is present. Sulfur dioxide में आप confuse नहीं होंगे. Sulfur dioxide is a highly poisonous gas. Carbon dioxide is there. Okay, we have got carbon dioxide along with the methane. Vishu, once we do 20 questions, we'll end this class. Yes, I will provide the PDF Shreya on the Telegram channel. Name of the Telegram channel is Akshata Dahake. Knowell Bell, there you can join it and वहां से आप ले सकते हो. Telegram channel is Akshata Dahake, Knowell Bell, and additionally I will also upload a PDF of this on the Knowell Bell app. वहां पे भी आप उसको डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. Whichever mode is more comfortable and suitable for you, वहां से आप इसको ले सकते हो. Thank you so much, Anil. Class will over, Poonam, once we'll do 20 questions. And yes, Aditya, tomorrow as well, I'll come live at 9 o'clock only. So question number 17, transfer of heat energy from sun to moon takes place by. So this is basically a very older paper of RMS. But since हमको पूरे previous year paper solve करने थे, so we are doing it. But some of the portion in the syllabus has been deleted. So this is like that only. Transfer of heat from sun to moon takes place by radiation, radiation and conduction, radiation and convection, radiation, conduction and convection. Yes. So Hasini has answered D, Dhanvi has answered B, Raghavendra has answered D, Abhya C, Anvesha D, Vishu A, Poonam D. Different answers are there. Okay. Artistic mind B. Okay, the right answer is the transfer of heat from sun to moon takes place by these two methods. Okay, the transfer of heat from sun to moon takes place by these two methods. The two methods are known by the name of radiation and conduction. So radiation and conduction वो methods हैं जिनके through जो heat energy होगी sun से, that will be transferred to where? That would be transferred to the sun, the heat energy of the sun that would be transferred to the moon. So radiation and conduction. Question number 18. Which strait separates Europe and Africa? Which strait separates Europe and Africa? Which strait separates Europe and Africa? So, just like we discussed the Palak Stait, which strait is responsible for separation of Europe and Africa? Okay, which question was not clear? The question number, the previous 17th question, radiation and convection. Okay, I'll explain that. Let's do this question and I'll explain that question again. Strait that separates Europe and Africa. So just like Palak Strait is there between India and Sri Lanka, Europe and Africa के बीच में कौन सा strait है? The right answer for this, yes, some of you, correct Aditya, you have answered it correctly. The right answer would be option B. Okay, the right answer would be option B, Strait of this. Option B, Strait of Gibraltar. Okay, Strait of Gibraltar or Gibraltar is the strait that separates these two continents, Europe and Africa. तो right answer क्या होगा इसके लिए? The right answer would be B option, which the strait that separates Europe and Africa is Strait of Gibraltar. Question number 19. Who wrote the epic Mahabharat while Vyas was narrating it? Who wrote the epic Mahabharat while Vyas was narrating it? Narad, Vishwakarma, Ganesh or Shiv? So the question is saying when the Vyas was narrating the Mahabharat, so who was the one who wrote it? Okay, Narad, Vishwakarma, Ganesh or Shiv? Straight ka meaning. Okay, Vishu. See, Ganesh. Ganesh is the right answer. Okay, so from a very long time we know that when the Vyas was narrating the Mahabharat, when the Vyas was narrating the Mahabharat, so Ganesh, Lord Ganesha wrote it. Okay, Lord Ganesha was the one who wrote it down. So that is the reason. अगर आप कभी महाभारत देखोगे, so in the Mahabharat there is no comma there. Okay, so because a whole time the Ved Vyas was narrating it and continuously Lord Ganesha was writing it. That's why in the epic of Mahabharat you will never find a comma there. Okay, so yes, Deva Ganesha or the Lord Ganesha was the one who wrote the Mahabharat while Ved Vyas was narrating it. Then question number 2, the second largest ocean of India. The second largest ocean of India, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean or Arctic Ocean. The second largest ocean of the world. Okay, Zen. The Atlantic Ocean, yes, very good. Dhanvi, Aditya, Anil, very good. Anvesha, very good. That's correct. Correct, Aditya. Raghavendra, correct. What will be the right answer? The second largest ocean of the world is Atlantic Ocean. The second largest ocean in the world is Atlantic Ocean. So right answer is Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest oceans in the world. Now coming to your doubts, okay? So Vishu had a doubt in this question. Strait. What is the meaning of strait? That Vishu has asked. So Vishu, have a look. When I told you that this is India, this is Sri Lanka, and how India and Sri Lanka are separated. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे, so they are separated by a narrow piece of sea. Okay, there is this narrow piece of sea, and this narrow piece of sea joins and connects to this huge piece of sea. And यहाँ पे भी, so a narrow piece of sea ocean that connects to two large oceans. कोई भी narrow piece of ocean जो two bigger ocean से connect होता है on both the side, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? We call it as strait. So if you will look in the map of India, between the India and Sri Lanka, there is a small portion of sea that is present, and on both the sides it connects to two larger ocean. Like on one side it's connected to Bay of Bengal, and other side Gulf of Mannar. So when you look at it, that's why we call it strait. What do we call it? That's why we call it strait. Okay, this is GK, the previous year question, Prabhati, for the Rashtriya Military School. Okay, this is the previous year GK question for Rashtriya Military School. Yes, I am explaining the 7th question, 17th question as well. So the names of the line, okay, these are just the lines I have drawn to explain you that Dhanvi, जो small piece of ocean है, that is connected to the larger piece. There is no meaning to these lines. This I have just drawn to explain you. Okay, next is question number 7. Oh, you had difficulty in question number 7. Okay, so question number 17, the transfer of heat energy from sun to moon. So सबसे पहले what is heat energy? Energy के different forms होते हैं, ठीक है? So heat energy, the form of energy, heat. Whenever you touch something that is hot, that contains heat energy. What does that contains? That contains heat energy. Okay. So sun से जो heat energy है, how does that heat energy transfers into moon? This we have to tell. So that is through the method of conduction and radiation. Now what is conduction? अगर हम देखेंगे, so conduction is a process. What is conduction? Conduction is a process in which heat flows. Like अगर आपका ये sun है, sun से directly the heat is flowing towards the moon. Okay, the sun say directly heat is flowing towards the moon. So this is called conduction. What do we call it? This is conduction, but this is through the direct contact. There has to be the direct contact between the two bodies. Okay, there is a direct contact between the two bodies. Next is we have radiation. Conduction is clear. Anyone having difficulty in conduction? Conduction, that's what I'm explaining, the transfer of heat. Okay, the transfer of heat between the two objects, or the two, that is called as conduction. Okay, this is quite a big topic, so that is conduction. Next is radiation. Whenever the heat is transferred with the means of radiations, so we call it radiations. Okay, and the fastest mode आप याद रखोगे, fastest mode of heating is radiation. Radiation is the fastest mode of heating. Okay, in that electromagnetic waves are used. So I think this is quite a detailed topic. So on radiation and conduction I'll make a separate video, and tomorrow only I'll explain this question with the help of video. So all of you will be able to do it. And then we have the third question. The third question we have, yes, there we go. Energy is stored in the cell in the form of, cell में energy. आपको have a look Dhanvi. Like you have to work. आपको study करना है. What you will need for that? You will need energy for that. Okay. You have to study. So you need energy. Where does energy come from? By the food you eat. Similarly, our cell body is made up of many cells. Our body is made up of many cells. And for the working of that, the cells need energy. सो सेल में ये एनर्जी कहाँ पे स्टोर होती है, किस फॉर्म में होती है, दैट इज द क्वेश्चन आस्किंग कि सेल में एनर्जी किस फॉर्म में स्टोर होती है. So this you have to keep in mind that the energy cell is stored in the form of ATP. That's why we call it ATP as the energy currency of the cell. Universally, all the cells that are present, उन सब में एनर्जी किस फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट होती है? इट इज ऑलवेज प्रेजेंट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एटीपी, वेदर इट इज प्लांट सेल, वेदर इट इज एनिमल सेल, वेदर इट इज ह्यूमन सेल, इन ऑल द सेल्स एनर्जी इज प्रेजेंट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एटीपी. सो एटीपी को हम कहते हैं एडिनोसिन ट्राइफॉस्फेट, दैट इज द एनर्जी करेंसी ऑफ द cell. Where can you get the PDF of these, Poonam? You can get the PDF of these on the Telegram channel that is called as Akshata Dahake Knowell Bell, or you may also get them on the Knowell Bell app. Okay, so you can also download the Knowell Bell app, or you can get it on the Telegram channel. The Telegram channel is called Akshata Dahake Knowell Bell. There you may get it. Okay, just type my name Akshata Dahake Knowell Bell. वहां से आप पूरा PDF एक्सेस कर सकते हो. So there are 30 more questions left to do. Yes, we do other subjects as well at the same time, Vishu. And yes, Prabhati, tomorrow as well I'll take the other class. Tomorrow as well we will continue with the GK. And 30 questions are to be left from this. तो एक जो 2019 का RMS का पेपर था ये हम completely solve कर लेंगे कल. So everyone, we will meet again tomorrow. And tomorrow we will do, okay, and if possible we will try to conduct the live sessions in the morning as well, but I think morning mein sabke schools hote hain, that's why it's not really possible. So 9 o'clock once again tomorrow evening. Timetable, yes, that would be better, Shreya. I'll make a complete timetable that will help you all. So yes, timings 9 p.m. tomorrow, Prabhati, same timing, okay, 9 p.m. tomorrow. So with this everyone, we will sum up our today's session. And Trending Edge. Just message me on the WhatsApp Trending Edge, or you can download it from the Telegram as well. For rest of the other subjects, Vishu, I'll upload the videos. Okay. So bye everyone. Good night. Bye Srishti. Bye Poonam. Bye Vishu. Hasini. Good night everyone. And we will meet again tomorrow. So if you found the session useful, make sure to like the session. There are 22 of you with just 16 likes. So make sure to like the session as well. And we will meet tomorrow. Tomorrow maths class. Okay, for tomorrow we will decide the topic. So tomorrow we will meet at the same timing, 9 o'clock. Okay, so bye everyone. Good night. Good night, Raghavendra. Good night, Anvisha. Good night, Vishu. Bye everyone. Good night.